Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Shopify versus Hostinger. If you are planning to launch an online store in 2025, you are probably stuck between two popular choices, Shopify and Hostinger. In this video, we are doing in-depth comparison of Shopify versus Hostinger, covering pricing, features, ease of use, performance, customization, and overall value. By the end, you will know which one fits your business needs best, so make sure you stick around. Overview. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform. It's built from the ground up for selling online, with a strong app ecosystem, powerful features, and great templates. On the other hand, Hostinger is primarily a web hosting company that now offers an e-commerce website builder through its Hostinger Website Builder, formerly Zyro. It's more of an all-in-one tool for beginners or budget-conscious users, so already you can see Shopify is more robust, while Hostinger is more lightweight and affordable. But let's dig deeper. Ease of use. Hostinger's website builder is incredibly beginner friendly. It uses a simple drag and drop interface with pre-designed blocks and smart AI tools to help you get started. It's perfect if you do not want to deal with tech headaches. Shopify, while still beginner friendly, offers more advanced settings. You get product management, inventory tracking, analytics, and app integrations, all in a clean dashboard. There is a learning curve, but the trade-off is more power and scalability. Verdict: for quick, no-fuss setup, go with Hostinger. For full-scale business building, Shopify is the winner. E-commerce features. This is where Shopify starts to shine. With Shopify, you get built-in cart recovery, product filters and variants, app integrations, POS support, over 100 payment gateways, and multi-channel selling through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Hostinger does support online selling, but it's basic. You can add products, accept payments, create discounts and coupons, and track orders. But there is no App Store, limited POS options, and fewer payment integrations. Bottom line: Shopify is better for serious e-commerce. Hostinger works for small shops or service-based businesses. Pricing. Now let's talk about money. Shopify's pricing in 2025 starts at $39 for basic, $105 for Shopify, and $399 per month for advanced. They also charge transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. Hostinger, on the other hand, is super budget friendly. Their website plus e-commerce plan start at around $3 to $5 per month, depending on promo deals, and no transaction fees. So if you are just testing the waters, Hostinger wins on price. But if you need advanced tool and can invest, Shopify justifies its higher cost. Design and customization. Shopify has over 100 themes, many of them paid, and all mobile responsive. You can customize these using the drag and drop editor, or edit code if you know Liquid, Shopify's theme language. Hostinger offers the stylish templates, also responsive, with a simple drag and drop editor. No coding needed, but the customization is more limited compared to Shopify. Verdict: Shopify offers more flexibility and polish. Hostinger is faster and easier for simple sites. Performance and support. When it comes to site speed and uptime, both platforms perform well. Hostinger is known for fast servers and a 99.9% uptime guarantee, thanks to their global infrastructure. Shopify also delivers reliable performance and is built to handle large volumes of traffic, especially during flash sales or launches. For support, Shopify offers 24/7 live chat and phone support. Hostinger offers 24/7 chat, no phone support. If support matters a lot to you, Shopify has the edge here. Final verdict. Alright, let's wrap it all up with a final breakdown. For ease of use, Hostinger is the winner. E-commerce features, Shopify. Pricing, Hostinger. Customization, Shopify. Performance, tie. Both are equal. Support, Shopify. So who should use what? Choose Hostinger if you are a beginner on a tight budget or want a simple store with minimal setup. Go with Shopify if you are serious about scaling, want advanced features, or plan to run a full-fledged online business. You really can't go wrong. It just depends on your goals. And that's all for today's video. If you find this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.